Most fix your life advice is bullshit. It sounds good, but no one actually follows it. So I built a simple 4-week plan that actually works. 1 rule per week. No hacks, no extreme routines. Just what actually works if you follow it. Week 1. Reset your dopamine. And yeah, it might sound a bit guru-ish, but this is where everything starts. Right now, most people are constantly overstimulated. You wake up, check your phone, scroll through short videos, listen to the same music on repeat, eat junk food, vape, and it all feels normal. But what you're actually doing here is training your brain to expect constant, effortless rewards. So when it's time to do something difficult, work, study, or train, your brain resists it. Because it thinks, why should I work hard if I'm already getting all the dopamine for free? That's why so many people feel stuck. It's not laziness, it's what you've trained your brain to expect. So this week your goal isn't to be productive, it's to break that loop. Limit social media to 30 minutes a day. Set screen time. Don't use your phone first thing in the morning. Reduce junk food. Quit vaping. Replace constant stimulation with better alternatives. Things that actually move you forward. You're not removing dopamine, you're just making your brain earn it again. And after a few days you'll notice something. Things that used to feel hard start feeling normal and fun again. Week 2. Level up your energy. This is where most people start to feel a real difference. If you want results, keep doing everything from week 1, but now add this. Most people feel tired all the time, even if they sleep 8+ hours. And the reason is simple. Their sleep schedule is f***ed up. Your brain runs on a circadian rhythm, basically an internal clock. If you go to sleep and wake up at completely different times every day, that clock never stabilizes. And even if you sleep enough hours, your energy stays low. So the goal this week is simple. Go to sleep and wake up at roughly the same time every day. I'm not telling you to go to sleep at 9 PM and wake up at 5 AM. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be extreme. Just consistent. Aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep per night. Once your schedule becomes predictable, you'll see how much your energy, focus, and mood will improve without you even realizing it. Week 3. Do one hard thing daily. This is where you stop preparing and actually start moving forward. Think about it. How long have you been delaying something important? I swear, I'll start next Monday. No, you won't. Because waiting for the perfect moment is exactly what's been keeping you stuck. So here's the rule. If something matters and you think about doing it, start immediately. Not tomorrow, not later, now. Every day, choose one difficult, meaningful task and finish it. Just one. It could be studying, going to the gym, working on a project, anything that actually moves your life forward. For example, if you have an assignment due next week, don't drag it down. Sit down, focus for a few hours, and get most of it done now. If you want to start going to the gym, don't overthink it. Just go for the sake of it. Even a simple 3 to 5 sessions per week with progressive overload is enough to see real progress over time. The goal isn't to do everything, it's to build the habit of doing what matters, without delay. Because once you prove to yourself that you can take actions consistently, everything else becomes easier in life. Week 4. Fix your environment. At first, this might sound like the least important step, but it's one of the most powerful ones. Because your environment quietly shapes your behavior every single day. Think about it. If your phone is always next to you, you'll use it. If your room is messy, your focus drops. If everything around you is distracting, staying productive becomes a constant fight. So start simple. Clean your space. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in your productivity. But it's not just your physical environment. It's also the people around you. The people you spend time with influence your habits, your standards, and how you see the world. And this doesn't mean you need to cut anyone off or avoid your friends. It just means being aware and making sure you also spend time around people who push you forward, support your goals, and want to grow together with you. Because that kind of environment naturally pulls you in the right direction. And finally, don't ignore the basics. Take care of yourself, shower, wear clean clothes, and finally get a haircut you always wanted. These are small things, but I still keep noticing that many people don't even do that. When you feel better about yourself, your confidence increases, and people who surround you notice it too. At this point, your environment isn't holding you back anymore. It's helping you move forward. If you actually follow this for 4 weeks straight, your life won't be perfect, but it will be completely different. Most people won't do it, but if you do, you're already ahead of 90% of people. If this helped you, subscribe for more no bullshit content like this. Peace.